Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com. Tuesday, 1 July. We're sponsored by Keystone Technologies, dedicated to light made easy for more than 80 years. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. Check out the latest innovations in lighting with our Just In column from the June issue of Designing Lighting magazine. Visit designinglighting.com to learn more. Leviton's 2024 Sustainability Report highlights a 37% emissions reduction since 2021 and key milestones towards its CN 2030 carbon neutrality goal, including site certifications, waste reduction, and expanded sustainable product initiatives. Read further at designinglighting.com. Access Lighting has acquired Picasso Lighting to launch a U.S. manufacturing platform, expanding production capabilities and boosting responsiveness across North America while continuing to deliver innovative architectural lighting solutions. Find out more at edisonreport.com. Studio Waldmeier showcased innovative lighting at the IALD Enlighten Europe 2025, blending art, technology, and storytelling. Their work spans wearable tech, immersive installations, and automotive lighting, emphasizing emotional impact and cutting-edge design. I was there for the presentation, and it was just stunning to see everything that they've done. Check it out at designinglighting.com. ETI's 2025 Vanity Lighting Series debuts sleek, energy-efficient fixtures with adjustable color, high CRI, and optional nightlight modes for modern, comfortable lighting. Details at designinglighting.com. Yesterday, the Dow gained 276, NASDAQ was up 96, but Dialight dropped 19 British pounds, or 9%. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day. Pray for peace.